In this video, I'm going to be talking about Google Bard. Google Bard is an AI chatbot that was developed by Google AI. It's still under development, but it can already do a lot of things, like answer your questions, generate text, translate languages. So, what is Google Bard? Google Bard is built on a large language model, called Pathways Language Model to PALM2. PALM2 is a neural network that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows Bard to understand and respond to natural language queries in a comprehensive and informative way. What can Google Bard do? Bard can do a lot of things, including answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, generate different creative text formats like code, scripts, write emails, letters, answer your questions about math and science, and much more. How does Google Bard work? When you ask Bard a question, it uses its knowledge of the world and its understanding of language to find the best answer. It does this by searching through its massive database of text and code. If it finds an answer that matches your question, it will try to generate its own answer. How can I use Google Bard? Google Bard is currently available in English, Japanese, and Korean. You can access it by going to the Google Bard website or by using the Google Search app. In the next video, I am going to show you how to use Google Bard.